is I guess it's a little tiny summer house, a little datcha. There's no insulation, it's just 5cm walls, only a summer thing. But I'll show you the foundation, which is kind of semi-interesting. It's what they call, these are screw piles, or bintervoisfei. I don't like them. They tend to sink into the ground after a while. There's nothing good about them. They're cheap, but yeah, they cause all kinds of problems. So I'll just show you the problems with this. And this is very light. It's only one, it's a glorified hut. So I'll show you some of the problems with what they've done. As you can see here, on this is what they call the abyaska, this bit here. And what they should have is that should be cut. The piece should be cut out of there, and the piece out of there, and they should be joined together. And if not, they just butted it up. And the result there is just barely on, just touching the edge of the pile. Bad news. Simple mistake. This is a kit form, obviously. You can see very much like I forgot who was building one on our forum there. We were building one out of the same kind of material but thicker. So this is the same kind of idea. This material. But I'll show you the problems with it with these bintervoisfei. If you look at this, I'll show you. I'll get a distance here from it. So see, it looks very nice. Let me turn the camera this way on. Now I don't know if you can see that, but this bit is leaning down this way, and this bit is leaning down this way, which means that the piles in the corners have already sunk. This is only a one story. Can you imagine if that was your house build and these piles had sunk and you're starting to come apart? How much it will come apart, I don't know. Whether it's just this is like they've got a terrace here, Whether it's like that inside, I don't know. But yeah, that's only one story. So that's, these things are the crap. They're cheap screw piles. They screw into the ground, and then they kind of move around all over the place. Not good.